He hardly talked to me. I didn't think he loved me. I never got why he was so tired all the time. He didn't play with the family on Fridays anymore, like he used to. Daddy bought him a new pair of sunglasses. He never took them off. When I wanted to play with him, he got mad and started to yell. The teacher started to talk to him alone a lot. Mommy started getting mad at him because he was doing bad in school. I didn't understand why. He always had headaches. I never understood why he didn't play with me. He stopped acting like my big brother. I didn't know him anymore.